Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add USDT on Metamask wallet. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Metamask wallet and already logged in, and now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Metamask wallet on the screen, where you can see the buy BNB at the middle of this dashboard, and just down below it you can see import tokens option. So simply tap on that import tokens. And now you can see two options. First one is search and another is custom token. So in custom token, you simply need to type your token contract address manually. And to add USDT, you simply need to tap on the search bar and search for USDT in search bars. And now you can see Tether USD at the top. Simply check mark that one. And now you can see next at the bottom of this screen. So just tap on the next. And finally tap on the import, and you will be able to add USDT on Metamask app successfully. So basically this is how you can add USDT to Metamask wallet app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.